Hi besties! Today for Quick Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to use gel and dip at the same time. Most people love the strength of dip powder, but want to use their gel polishes over it. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Let's get started. We're going to start with the regular dip application as we normally would, beginning with applying bond to the natural nail. Applying base where the tip meets the nail and dipping into natural powder. Applying base to 3/4 of the nail and dipping into the natural powder. Now here the steps get a little different than normal application. Next we are going to apply the base to the entire nail and dip into the natural powder again, dusting off the excess as usual. Now we're going to repeat this step once more and do another coat of the base and dip once more into the natural powder. Then we are going to apply the base to the entire nail and dip into the clear powder. Since there is no color on the nail just yet, we can just dip right into the clear powder without fear of pigment contamination. Now we are going to generously apply Seal Protect. Next we're going to shape the nail by using a hand file and an e-drill, but our goal here is to rough the nail and not buff it. So we won't be using a buffer. Now remember, if we're going to be applying gel polish over dip powder, we're going to want to rough it but not buff it. The rough surface of the nail is what's going to allow the gel to adhere to the powder and not peel off. Be sure to dust after filing. Notice we are skipping the second coat of Seal Protect. We only want to use one coat for this method. As with any traditional gel application, we will apply one coat, cure, and then go apply the second coat and cure again. Then we're going to use our Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And let's finish this look with some Nourish oil on our cuticles. And there you have it, besties. Thanks for joining us. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give us a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell so you can be notified when we have new videos. Until next time, besties, bye!